Hello, my name is Dennis Laffrey. This is my keynote presentation for Assignment 3, Sponsorship Integration Visuals. In the assignment, I was asked to choose a sports entity of my choice. It could be a professional sports organization to a local club team. For this assignment, I chose the Central Florida Red Raiders as my sports entity. With choosing the Central Florida Red Raiders, the organization itself consists of 3 separate branches. These branches are the Red Raiders Baseball, Red Raiders Fast Pitch, and Nations of Greater Orlando. These will create a strategic alliance which will help to create a better partnership for its sponsor. Here is some brief information about the Central Florida Red Raiders organization that could be very useful to the sponsorship. With Red Raiders Baseball and Fast Pitch being global travel ball organizations for boys and girls ages 7 to adult, as well as Nations of Greater Orlando hosting tournaments in the Florida area for boys and girls ages 7 to adult as well. Now back to the assignment. The next part was to pick a potential sponsor for my organization and show 3 examples of sponsorship activation between the Central Florida Red Raiders and the Intercontinental Hotels Group. To better understand the sponsor, look at the brands that are affiliated with them, such as Holiday Inn, Holiday Inn Express, Crown Plaza, and the Priority Rewards Program, just to name a few. Here are the 3 examples of the sponsorship activation between the Central Florida Red Raiders and Intercontinental Hotels Group that I chose to use. In the next couple slides, you will see how the examples are used to visually create the value for each organization. The first example is the use of promotions to engage the fan and create brand exposure. In this example, you see a giveaway for the longest distance traveled by a player. Having the association of travel involved with this promotion helps market both needs of the sports entity and the sponsor. The next example shows the use of technology through the organization's website. As you can see, I use the Holiday Inn icon because it's more memorable than the other brand icons. Just the location of this icon here brings a value due to the upcoming events being held by Central Florida Red Raiders, usually involving team travel and lodging to compete. My last example is very common yet successful. Here we have our training facility signage updated to include our sponsor, but the training facility isn't the only location necessary to this activation. With hosting tournaments in various locations as well as organizational team travel, having team and tournament banners are a key component when being away from the facility. Understanding that teamwork will create knowledge, our brands together will create equal value for each other.